First, I split in 2.
18.
And 9. And 4.5.
And 2.25.
And 1.125.
And 0.5625. And 0.5625 more to press the big red button. Then you choose who's going up.
One of me.
And none of me. And one of me.
And one of me.
And none of me.
And one of me. And fire.
3. $25.3125 way up high. Amazing, but not a steps card.
Wait and see.
Near
to
Huh.
the of space. Nearly there.
Achoo.
Amazing. We sent a steps card to the edge of space without Q power. We just need a little more power. Achoo, oh, 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 oh. How? What was that sound? Why, that would be me, of course. I'm feeling a tiny bit.
Chew oh 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 oh.
Wow, that's one mega sneeze. Oh, you think that's impressive? Hold on to your blocks, you're going to love this. Prepare for launch in achoo.
Woohoo.
We have leave task.
Primary launch stage completed. Engaging secondary stuff.
Chew. We've reached space. Second stage complete. Chew. Entering lunar orbit. Launching